Hello. Thank you for tuning into the WOW Network. That's Words of Wisdom, produced by myself, Reverend Andrew King, and the Solid Rock Ministry. Today we're going to talk about a particular familiar catchphrase or slogan that many of us have heard and have said, that Black Lives Matter. And we have to really understand the gist and the gravity of such a wonderful statement. We have to understand its development in terms of today's present context. Black Lives Matter was a statement born out of the total dissatisfaction with the legal system as it relates to the death of several African Americans. It has become a point of almost systemic termination and destruction that black men, black fathers, and black children have been summarily executed. And it seems as if it's state sanctioned based on the fact that there's been little or no repercussions. However, as we reflect and affirm that Black lives do matter, there are some issues which we must consider and observe. Black on black crime. It's time that we at least have a dialogue amongst ourselves about how many is enough, about how many deaths of someone that stepped on someone else's shoes, somebody that got dissed or robbed and ended up dead. Today's statement that affirms that Black Lives Matter is enough. And I draw to you a biblical truth and parallel that Moses was born into a similar situation of death and destruction as the power that be of his day, which was Pharaoh, had decreed that all Hebrew boys at birth were to be thrown in the river Nile. And it's in that systemic death that society at that time had ordered that Moses witnesses two Hebrews fighting amongst themselves. When Moses saw those two brothers fighting, he took off running. Folks, if we're going to affirm that Black Lives Matter, then we have to take responsibility. We have to share the dialogue that enough is enough. We can no longer sit back and watch our nephews, our kindred, our relatives, and our friends, and those that live in the hood, in the projects or in the trap, continue to murder, kill black men and black fathers without consideration. I affirm, with the present context, I affirm that Black lives do matter. And I want you to join with me today by stating enough is enough. Thank you. Again, I'm Reverend Andrew King, and this is Words of Wisdom brought to you by the Solid Rock Ministry. God bless. And remember, with God on our side, who can oppose us? Be blessed.